That is absolutely incredible. Croesor e Croesor. Hello and welcome to another one of my walking films. Today I'm in Snowdonia and hopefully going to have a great adventure trying to find an amazing bird. Wow, 8 years since I was last here, but anyway, entrance to the car park, we're going to go left and I'll tell you what I'm hoping to do. This is a great crossroads, isn't it? So I came from the right and what we're going to do is go left. So there's Cnicht. I'll put up a link to the film I did originally 8 years ago. So Cnicht is to the left, and where I'm hoping to look around today is around the base of Mynach Mawr, which is Big Mountain, and what I'm after is that most elusive of birds in this area, the Chough. That's brilliant. Cuckoo. What a place, eh? Even if we don't find a Chough, I'm not too bothered. That field is just pure bluebells. So there's sort of a Y junction here. So Snowdonia Slate Trail. So I'm hoping firstly to get to Croesor quarry, and then I think it's called Rosyth, as far as I can figure with the Welsh pronunciation. And 8 years ago I did see Choughs for the first time that I noticed around here and on this side, so I'm hoping they're going to be there. And sorry, there's me going on. Wow. How things are done today. Got to look after your flock. I know you're going to say rubbish. I've just heard one. I've heard a Chough. Really distinct chow noise. This is getting exciting. A lovely shot of Moily Bog in the centre there. I think the whole point of today is just kind of proving that you don't have to go up massive crazy things to have an amazing time in Snowdonia. So I'm doing what I can and I'm really enjoying this. It's brilliant. If you just look in the middle of the shot, you'll see what used to be the Croesor tramway, and there's an incline there, and all on that mountain over there there's various tracks and tramways and inclines, all for the quarrying. I'll tell you what, there's a fine line between enigmatic and non-existent. I really do pick some terrible places, don't I? I don't believe it. That is a Chough. Oh man, we got one. Oh, brilliant. Oh, amazing. I hope you can see there's two of them The way they hold the wings, I'll try and zoom in when I'm editing. It's like the fingers are really out. They also make quite a distinct noise, which I've not heard them do, but it's their flying technique. Oh man. It's almost like they just enjoy it. Yeah, 100% Choughs. Well, this is it. Croesor quarry. Absolutely incredible. Lost in time. It does have a real haunting beauty, this. There's such a stillness about the place now, even though it must have been a hive of activity. Well, for me, that's been an hour and 3/4, nearly 1,000 feet climb there, and 3 kilometers. But I'm not going to go on any further from Croesor Quarry. I feel this is my limit today, and it's all about that, isn't it? It's been careful and also enjoying it, and I've seen my Choughs. So thank you very much for coming with me to the amazing valley of Croesor. Right, there's a bird. I hope I can try and enlarge that. But that was a cuckoo. Ha! Brilliant.